Google just dropped a free tool that fixes the one thing stopping freelancers from charging premium rates for visual content work. It is called Google Whisk. And the reason this matters is simple. Every other image generator gives you random outputs that never match each other. Google Whisk lets you lock in visual consistency across unlimited images. That means you can finally sell branded content packages to local businesses without worrying that image 3 will look nothing like image 1. This is the gap between people charging $50 per graphic and people running actual visual content agencies. My name is Paul James. I show freelancers and small business owners how to build service income using free AI tools. I am not going to pitch you overpriced software or try selling you on go high level. I am going to walk you through exactly how to turn Google Whisk into a service business that pays you real money. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you go high level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is what kills most people trying to sell visual services right now. You create one image for a client, they love it. You try making 5 more in the same visual style for their brand. Every single one comes back looking totally different. The colors shift, the composition changes, the whole aesthetic falls apart. Your client sees it and loses confidence in your ability to deliver professional work. That is not a skill issue. That is just how traditional image tools operate. They treat every generation as a standalone request with zero memory of what came before. Google Whisk solves this with what I call the visual lock framework. You feed it 3 core elements up front: what the subject should be, what environment it lives in, what aesthetic style defines the look. Once you set those 3 anchors, everything you generate after that maintains the same visual thread. Same brand identity, same professional polish, same cohesive feel across the entire set. This is what separates people doing free work on Fiverr from people charging 4 figures for content packages. Let me break down how this tool actually operates. Google Whisk runs on Google's latest image generation technology combined with their language model that interprets what you want. But you do not need technical knowledge to use it. You just need to understand the 3 input method. When you open the interface, you are not typing long, confusing prompts. You define your subject by uploading a reference or describing it in plain language. You define your scene the same way. You define your style the same way. The tool takes those 3 pieces and blends them into one coherent visual output. Here is where everything clicks. Picture this scenario. You land a contract with a craft brewery downtown. They need branded social media graphics for their 7 signature beers. Each beer gets its own post, but everything needs to feel like part of the same visual family. Same vibe, same premium aesthetic. The traditional route means hiring a product photographer for $1,000 or spending days trying to force consistency out of regular image generators. With Google Whisk, you lock in the subject once, a beer glass filled with each specific brew showing the unique color and carbonation. You lock in the scene once, a reclaimed wood bar top with warm ambient lighting and subtle brewery branding in the background. You lock in the aesthetic once, moody craft beer magazine style with rich shadows and amber highlights. Now here's what happens next. Google Whisk creates the first image for their flagship IPA. The brewery owner approves it immediately. Now you need 6 more images maintaining that exact same look. You do not rebuild everything from scratch. You keep your scene and style inputs identical. You only swap the subject to represent each different beer: stout, pilsner, amber ale, porter, wheat beer, seasonal lager. Every single output maintains visual continuity because the framework you established is holding everything together. This is how you look like a professional content studio instead of someone fumbling with AI tools. Most people never realize this part. The tool also interprets casual language and translates it into precise image instructions automatically. When you say something simple like "warm this up more," the system understands your intent and adjusts the output accordingly. You do not need advanced prompting skills. You just communicate normally, and the tool figures out the technical execution. This cuts your production time in half compared to platforms where you need to write essay-length prompts just to get usable results. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. Google Whisk also lets you refine outputs in real time without starting over. If an image is 90% there but needs small adjustments, you just describe the change in plain terms. Bring more focus to the glass. Soften the background blur. Deepen the amber tones slightly. The tool incorporates your feedback and generates an updated version while keeping everything else intact. This is critical when working with clients who always have revision requests. You can iterate quickly without blowing your timeline or losing the visual consistency you already built. I remember feeling stressed out by tools like this when I was trying to figure all of this out. I thought I needed expensive creative software or years of design training to compete with real agencies. But Google Whisk proves you can deliver high-end visual work with nothing but the right system and some hustle. Here is where the money starts making sense. Think about every business in your area that needs consistent visual content but cannot afford traditional design services. Restaurants need appetizing food photography that matches their brand across every dish post. Real estate agents need property visuals that highlight key features in a uniform style. Jewelry makers need product shots showing different pieces while maintaining their signature aesthetic. Meal prep companies need weekly menu content that looks cohesive. Airbnb hosts need room showcase images that feel professionally coordinated. Every one of those is a package you can sell using Google Whisk. Let me give you a pricing structure. A branded visual package containing 8 consistent images sells for $200 to $400 depending on your market. That is one session with Google Whisk, maybe 3 hours total including client revisions. You are not renting studio space. You are not editing in Photoshop for days. You are using the visual lock framework to generate exactly what they need while maintaining their brand across every deliverable. Run that with 4 clients per month, and you are looking at consistent income without overhead or expensive subscriptions. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Here's how this plays out in the real world. A few weeks ago, someone I know closed a deal with an auto detailing shop. They needed showcase images for 9 different service packages: interior detailing, exterior polish, ceramic coating, engine bay cleaning, headlight restoration. Each service needed its own visual, but everything had to maintain the same professional detailing brand aesthetic. A traditional photographer wanted $1,200 for a full-day shoot across multiple vehicles. This person used Google Whisk instead. Set the subject as each specific detailing result on different vehicle types. Locked the scene to show clean garage bay settings with professional lighting. Applied the shop's blue and chrome brand colors as the style anchor. Generated all 9 images in under 2 hours. Delivered the package for $450. The shop owner was blown away by the consistency. Now they have a monthly retainer for new service visuals every time they add package options. That is the kind of opportunity most freelancers are ignoring right now. You do not need camera gear. You do not need lighting kits. You do not need a portfolio website. You just need to understand how to combine subject, scene, and style in ways that produce professional, consistent results. Google Whisk handles the technical execution while you focus on client relationships and pricing. Here's the angle most tutorials never touch. This tool also works incredibly well for transformation sequences. Contractors, home organizers, pressure washing companies, and renovation specialists all need before and after content. But capturing consistent angles and lighting across both states is almost impossible with standard generators. Google Whisk fixes it completely. You set your subject as the space being transformed. You configure your scene for the initial state. Then you modify just the scene element to reflect the completed state while keeping subject and style locked. Both images look like they came from the same professional photo shoot. That is a standalone service package. Charge $400 to $700 per transformation set depending on complexity. Another opportunity. Course creators and online coaches need branded visuals for lead magnets, module graphics, and social proof content. They want everything polished and unified so their brand looks premium and trustworthy. You can sell them a complete visual branding package, 12 to 20 images they can deploy across their website, email campaigns, and social channels. All matching, all professional quality, all created with Google Whisk in a few focused sessions. Price it between $800 and $1,500 based on the scope and customization level they want. Picture how much easier content creation becomes once this becomes your normal workflow. You are not chasing random gig work anymore. You are operating a predictable service model with tools that cost nothing and clients who see you as the solution to their biggest visual content challenge. Lock in 3 recurring contracts and you have built a foundation most people never reach. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.